Learning how to make fat wood is super easy. So that's the concept for today's video. You'll find that learning how to make fat wood, once it's taken down from just a simple science project, not a kid's project, this is meant for adults and educational purposes only. The type of oil that's in here is called terrapin, a type of kerosene. Okay? So what you'll do in order to make this fat wood, which has a lot of oil embedded into it, that's why it's this color. This is the type of wood that is located in conifers, such as pine trees. It has a pine tree smell or a Christmas type of wood smell. It reminds you a lot of Christmas. You're going to need melted wax or lamp oil. Melted wax, when done safely, is real easy to use along with lamp oil. You'll need several types of wood of any kind, as a matter of fact. You can use scrap wood, a bamboo skewer, which is this one right here. This one right here. A chopstick, a coffee stirrer, or even scrap pieces of wood from your clothespins. Long matches once they've been turned off. These are excellent types of fat wood because they already have a little bit of oil in them, just enough to get the fire to travel down the stick. You could also use popsicle sticks or ice cream sticks or even corn dog sticks. So just keep that in mind. When done safely, it's a real easy process. But don't kid yourself. Melting wax or using lamp oil can be somewhat dangerous. You have to be careful. Please don't try to hold me responsible for any given accident due to, not being careful or just using this around open flame. This is not a toy. Lamp oil is to be respected along with melted wax. It can be somewhat volatile, and they tend to get very angry when they get above their base temperatures, meaning they'll light up really fast. So please be careful with lamp oil or even with melted wax. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You'll have to immerse this inside a lamp oil bottle. A tiny one like this will mean you'll have to measure this size. The given lamp oil bottle that I'm using, which is travel size, is roughly 4 inches tall. So this little bottle is roughly about 4 inches tall. Okay, so you'll need to break down these little pieces of scrap wood or find some way to dunk them and permanently immerse them for a long time. Usually it takes about a day or two. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so this is a scrap piece of wood of, I have no clue what type it is. It could possibly be pine or even maple or something. Bamboo skewers are real easy to determine what there is. They're a type of grass similar to Johnson grass. So if you have Johnson grass, for the areas that have it, a dry piece of Johnson grass would even work. Your chopsticks can even be immersed inside the paper wrapper. You'll find that even with the paper wrapper on, once you dunk this, the paper wrapper itself will wick the lamp oil or the wax along with your barbecue or your chopstick. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So you could use a chopstick inside its paper wrapper. Your coffee stirrers are very, very thin, and they should take a lot of lamp oil very quickly. It'll wick it very quickly. Similar to balsa wood. Okay? Your clothespins are very dense, so they'll take a little bit longer. Okay. Your matchsticks already have oil in them. Alright, in order to get the fuel to travel, or the flame to travel down the stick, it already has a little bit of oil in it. Your popsicle stick is very dense, so you have to soak it for a while. The only one that's not very dense is your corn dog stick. It already has some of the type of oil that's used to deep fry the corn dog, but you'll still have to immerse it in the wax or the lamp oil in order to get it to soak through and through. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If we do not live close to a place where you live close to conifers or pine trees, you can buy these items, or you can make them. Just remember, safety first. Keep an eye on lamp oil. Keep it away from open flame. Melted wax is not to be left alone while it's melting. It can reach its boiling point or its flash point. Better yet, its flash point. So that's today's video, and we'll see you on the next one.